A for apple. Apple means
Apples means seb.
B for ball. Ball means
Bowl means bowl.
C for cat. Cat means
Billy.
D for dog. Dog means
Kutta.
E for elephant. Elephant means
Hathi.
F for fish. Fish means
Machli.
G for gift. Gift means
Tofa.
H for hand. Hand means
Hand means hat.
I for ice cream. Ice cream means
Ice cream.
J for joker. Joker means
Joker means joker.
K for kite. Kite means
Patang.
L for lion. Lion means
Lion means sher.
M for monkey. Monkey means
Monkey means bandar.
N for nest. Nest means
Nest means ghosla.
O for orange. Orange means
Narangi.
P for parrot. Parrot means
Parrot means tota.
Q for queen. Queen means
Queen means Rani.
R for rose. Rose means
Rose means gulab.
S for sun. Sun means
Sun means Surya.
T for train. Train means
Railgadi.
U for umbrella. Umbrella means
Umbrella means chhata.
V for van. Van means
Van means van.
W for watch. Watch means
Watch means ghadi.
X for fox. Fox means
Fox means lombdi.
Y for yak. Yak means
Yak means yak.
Z for zebra. Zebra means
Zebra means zebra.